I'm here with this girl, Leah. Fucking dead bird right there. Stupid dead bird hit the wall up there trying to fly. Came down like this, hit the thing, and I fucking fell down here, stupid dead bird. It's retarded. I didn't get the bird, see? Oh god, oh god. Fucking broke its neck.
Yeah, that's what I said.
It's creeping the shit out of me. Huh?
Did you start that?
Yes, it just hit the fucking wall like a stupid retard.
It's not a retard.
It's a retarded bird, it's the fucking face. Fucking broke its own damn neck.
Why do you keep getting farther away?